Peaks from Z to A Masterclass box set. I already took off the packaging for you folks. We can get right into it. It's a beautiful design. Has like a 3D type of feel with the trees on the side and the front, and the lettering. There's a small white print of Twin Peaks on the top. I don't know if you can see it too clearly. This is beautiful. Let's open this bad boy up, see what's inside. So inside we got a nice flip open case with a frequency vibration type floor. Agent Cooper, Laura Palmer from That Famous Scene. And looking down, we got the pouch with Red Room Gallery. Two other booklets. Imagine that's the Blu-rays. And a mystery CD. So this box set is 8,421 out of 25,000. So in the Red Room box, you're gonna have a bunch of photos from the movie and the show. I don't want to reveal them all for you. Keep that a bit of a surprise for if you pick up the box set yourself. This is the international pilot. And this is the rest of the show, season 1, 2, 3, and Fire Walk With Me. Very hard movie to find. It's all here. Beautiful box set.